Hi guys, so this tutorial is all about my foundation routine and how I am doing my foundation presently to this very day. And yeah, if there are any changes in my foundation routine, as usual I will just do another video for you guys. My lips are dry. I am actually going to do a makeup tutorial now for you guys. Yeah, so just stay tuned for that one. But yeah, so this is my foundation routine. I use my foundation only, not my brows, just my foundation. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. And this is just how I do my face. My friend actually asked me last night, do I have a video of me with bare face and moving on? I was like, no, of course I had, but then you know, whatever. But yeah, so I just decided to just recreate this, or to just show you guys how I do my foundation now presently. Also, for all the products that I used, it will absolutely be on my website on the blog, and I'll leave that link in the description bar below for you guys. So if you'd like to see the products that I use, or you want to do the products that I use, then you can just go ahead and click the link in the description bar below. Alright guys, I guess I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
This is Mr. Amos, Jesus, listen if you're crazy. Oh, them so troublesome. I choke on Jesus' name like bubblegum. Them bad mind people a talk too bad. Run away Lucifer and choose God. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people a talk too bad. Oh, still I see a God and choke that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. When Christ was alive, them a try film life. After time died, them a try him wife. Never Satan does a try film mash up in reputation. Stand me a make us stay strong. Satan is about book. The Bible is more effective than any pagan. If Satan try bring up your past, just read to me from Revelation. No wonder I could have us about Jesus that. Everybody does a try prove Jesus strong, but you now go figure out everything about him because him is a mysterious God. Them people your audience stay bad when things work according to what them want a karma. But if not, them always blame God. Them bad mind people your talk too bad. Run away Lucifer and choose God. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people your talk too bad. Oh, still I see a God and choose that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them people you get me cross, kinda like the thing Jesus depend. When him say Father forgive them, me wish them woulda transformed from Stephen to Stefan, so them can see without glasses. Silly boy still I see a God. Mom to your man, true love are the reason why you might say Jesus. And if you ask a one to your hand, I'm not a part. Leave it up to you if you try sabotage. So I'm gonna scrutinize man of God, so me give you the eyes man of war. No run with it, but when you take off me I fi ask, oh come you so far, slow down for me. Them can't stop talking, sit down and watch me like the stock market. Them bad mind people you talk too bad. Run away Lucifer and choose God. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you talk too bad. Oh still I see a God and shoot that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you talk too bad. My God, I know the art of confusion. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you talk too bad. Oh still I see a God and shoot that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Yes. They mind somebody probably rotten, and it wouldn't surprise me if it's out again. Oh, this so troublesome. I should back Christian name like oh them eyes not moving, like one statue. Hide them, lie down pan you. Like I'm a trust, why bother chat? Since you take sample, try for that. If them want something for watch, then give them something for watch. You gain some weight and it showing on your belly. And them want something for arch, but them not have nothing for chat. We know sometimes they tempted for talk them and give them a fat mouth. Keep them like look and do it. Don't follow Satan conversation. Him we say you're just a human, do it. But instead do the right thing. Christ inside of you screaming, you can do it. Yeah. So all I'm clean up people. No watch them. Car. Bad mind there before you're born. So they after you're gone. Let's leave them up to Jesus. Them bad mind people you talk too bad. Run away Lucifer and choose God. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you talk too bad. Oh still I see a God and shoot that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you talk too bad. My God, I know the art of confusion. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you talk too bad. Oh still I see a God and shoot that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Sometimes I feel like somebody's watching me. But if them did that to Jesus, then them might go do that to me. Talk to me. On to the R. Mr. Amen. Yeah. Bad mind is a sickness. Get well soon.
say, you know, can't come this Father God. Yeah, hey, Mr. Eden, me have few words to talk to you now. Hey, blue check that down, yo. Arma International. Tell some people, hey, me no care if you're bad from birth. Coulda be the wickedest man on earth. Your gun could at all make the light post church. Me I tell you only Father God is the birth. No, you coulda grew up in a bad man work. Run like Al-Qaeda if you hide in a dirt. Your gun could at all make the light post church. Arma tell them, hey, you coulda tick like 10 come on. Think you are the toughest thing. My bills still flying pan. You coulda blow like industrial fan. Your foot coulda long like a dust. Run like any fan. Me no care if you turn Superman. Yeah, the super villain. You coulda known like the Superman. And you coulda soup up like evolution. Still can't beat the man who chat and the creation. God make you do look and me chop it off. The maga them me make and me yam it off. Don't tell me what my mouth if you watch you talk. Your mouth make you see nightly for your heart. So what you talk when you wanna talk. The tables will turn to get a lot of part. With a ending person and cold that Arma International tell some that. Hey, you no care if you're bad. Coulda be the wickedest part. Your gun coulda tall make the light post turn. Me I tell you only Father God bless me work now. You coulda grow up in a bad man work. Run like Al-Qaeda if you hide in a dirt. Your gun coulda ta. Tell you only Jesus Christ. Hey, me no care if you're bad from birth. Coulda be the wickedest man on earth. Your gun coulda tall make the light post turn. Me I tell you only Father God bless me work now. You coulda grow up in a bad man work. Run like Al-Qaeda if you hide in a dirt. Your gun coulda. Hear me now. Father God, to seek after. Let a bad man want commit murder. Fool in heart, feeling I'm danger. Dirty bad man must live with them a seek for. Seek a life like my friend, him lifer. Don't make guns them smoke like a reefer. Powder not touch your skin and a bumper. No night creature, you're not on the bleacher now. So listen to me good, the common sense teacher. Me not gonna lie to you like Obia reader. We used to you gonna reap like a farmer. The body gun, you gonna stink like a vulture. Father God never sleep, never slumber. Lightning strikes and I can roll it thunder. So when you drop in at the judgment, remember. If you no repent, I'm on the tell you say, man. Blue check that down, yo.
Talk too bad. When away Lucifer and choose God. Every little team them fight against Christian. Every little team them fight against God. Them bad mind people you talk too bad. Oh still I see a God and shoot that. Every little team them fight against Christian. Every little team them fight against God. When Christ was alive, them a try film life. After he died, them a try him wife. Devil Satan does a try to mash up in reputation. Christian me a make us stay strong. Satan is about book. The Bible is more effective than any pagan. If Satan try bring up your past, just read to from Revelation. No wonder could have us about Jesus now. Everybody does a try prove Jesus strong. But you now go figure out everything about him because him is a mysterious God. Them people you hardness stay bad when things work according to what them want a karma. But if not, them always blame God. Them bad mind people you turn too bad. When away Lucifer and choose God. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them bad mind people you turn too bad. Don't still see a God and shoot that. Every little thing them fight against Christian. Every little thing them fight against God. Them people you get me cross, kinda like the things Jesus depart. When him say Father forgive them, me wish them woulda transformed from Stephen to Stefan, so them can see without glasses. Silly boy still see a God. Mom to your man.